Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've been having an issue with our automatic garage door. So it keeps getting stuck when it's going up. Then we have to come in here and click on reset and help it up so with our hand, so it keeps going to the end. So it's been frustrating. I'm gonna show you how to fix this. Now each garage door has a spring inside it, and when the spring gets loose a bit over time, the door starts getting very heavy on the way up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fix that by strengthening the spring so it becomes kind of weightless on the way up. Now the spring, as you can see, is inside. You probably can't see. And we're gonna have to loosen these ones, and we just pull the pole towards us, like just a few times, which makes the spring a bit stronger. We don't have to loosen both sides because this is just a spring, so we just loosen one side. Actually, we probably do have to because it's a one pole. I'm not sure. I'll see. Anyways, but don't loosen it too much, so we don't want the spring to just go loose completely. We can still fix it if it does, but first we're gonna need this one with the right measurement for the knot. So we have two over here. It's gonna be a bit hard to get in here, but we'll try. And you're gonna need this. This is what's gonna strengthen the pole. So yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay, I've fixed this to the measurement of the pole. This is just check. It's gonna be good. Now we want to pull it towards us because we want the door to, as you can see, it goes up that way, so we want to pull it towards us so the spring can become tighter. So I'll start by loosening this. Loosening the other side too. Okay, let's see if we can do it without loosening the other side. Okay, it's not moving, so we're gonna have to do the other side. Okay, this is a bit annoying to get to, so I'm gonna have to put the phone down. Okay, I've loosened this. I forgot to mention you should put it in manual, so it'll be loose. All right, let's try this now. Okay, it's moving. As you can see, it's turning. Just put the phone down, so as you're turning, you gotta strengthen these again so it doesn't go back. Alright, that's all tightened now and loaded. The spring is loaded. So you have to loosen the knots from both here and there, but you only have to tighten from one side. So remember, you're pulling it towards you because the doors, you just have to imagine that the spring is actually twisted on the pole, so you're pulling it this way. So it helps if you have someone else who is helping you. So someone loads the spring and someone tightens the spring. Once you hold the spring tight enough, you just tighten the screws, the knots. So we're gonna give it a test now. It used to always get stuck halfway on the way up, so I'll put it down first, and I'll put it up now. Yeah, definitely feels a lot better. It's you can actually hear that the motor is not struggling on the way up. It used to always get stuck down here. Anyway, thanks for watching and please subscribe.